Check out these switches right here. You got this one that's bad. No beep. See? So what I'm gonna do is take off one of these leads right here. One of these leads. Then I'm gonna solder it onto here because this one is good. They just broke it off. See what happens. No. Alright, so we just got done soldering it. It's not the prettiest. Mi teléfono, por favor. Sí. But yeah, got it in. Then let's test it out. Trátalo, see, with the beep beep. I don't recommend doing this, but this was in a pinch. Making sure everything is working. There you go, it's working. Alright, so we did order some, but just for the meantime. What does this go to? The dryer? Mm-hmm. So this is a dryer. They wanted it up and running today. I'll get it up and running today. Alright, cool beans. Yeah. This is my little soldering kit. That's the old one. I just took it off of that one and just replaced, and the spade right here, just took it off and put it in the one that we needed. So not bad.